Hi, nice to talk to you again. Today's video is going to be about manifestation, about creation, about this entire process that brings your thoughts to things. Hi, nice to talk to you again. Thank you so much for your ongoing appreciation that you are expressing each time I upload a new video. That it's filling my heart with a lot of joy, and it just gives me motivation to keep going and making more wonderful videos. So thank you so much for all the comments. It was really exciting. Today's video is going to be about creation, about manifestation, about how you can make things happen for you. Actually, the idea came from a question that I received and that I find extremely interesting and really important. Okay, so the question is, I want to feel my creation. I feel like there is a missing piece. I feel that my creation is sneaking up on me. I don't feel like I am creating it. I don't feel like I'm the creator. How can I realize that I did it? That is my creation. So, first of all, the reason why you don't feel like this is your creation is because as you were observing your life, you had mixed vibrations about it. You had mixed feelings about it. You react to what is going on around you. This is the reason why your manifestations were mixed. Sometimes you were receiving good things and sometimes you were receiving bad things, negative things. Your vibrations were in response to what you were living. That is why you cannot really recognize what is coming back to you. So I will give you an example. For instance, as your day goes by, as you notice negative things, you react negatively. You notice positive things in your life, you react in a positive way. That's how, in a regular day, you are offering positive and negative vibrations as well. Now, law of attraction, in a response to these vibrations, is offering you, is sending you more and more of these feelings, and then eventually it's sending you manifestations. One of the reasons why you don't recognize your creations is because you haven't focused upon them. You haven't given attention to any idea, any particular idea. You were just reacting or observing. And so when something nice would come back to you, you would be happy, but you would not recognize it, just like you were saying. Now, what can you do to recognize some of your manifestations, to feel like you are the creator, to feel like you've done it, like you manifested, you wanted it? That's why it came to you. The only way you can do that is to go out ahead of it. You have to feel good about your desire. Decide what is it that you want and stick with it. You wake up in the morning, you meditate, you acknowledge what is it that you want. It could be on a short term, it doesn't have to be on a long term. And decide that this is what you want and calibrate to it. Calibrate, which means reach vibrational alignment with your desire. you will feel good about your desire. You will start noticing that more and more of those feelings will come to you, and you will start to recognize them. You focus on a particular feeling, like the feeling of love or the feeling of trust and security and stability. And so you will notice that as your day goes by, more and more of those feelings will come to you, and you will feel them in numerous occasions. Now, the feeling is the first manifestation. That is why when you start feeling more and more like what you desire, this is a sign that you started attracting what you want. So after the feelings, there will be small rendezvous. It could be with nature, with animals, or with people, or you will have satisfying conversations. It's going to be really fun. And day by day, you will start to recognize your desire, something that matches your vibration will come into your reality. You said that you feel like your desire is sneaking up on you. Your desire is not sneaking up on you. What's going on is that as you feel good once in a while, that is when you allow your existing desires to come closer and closer to your reality. One very important thing is that as you start feeling more and more those vibrations that you are wanting to attract, please don't hurry. Don't try to rush it. Don't stop and look at what you got, because this is an ongoing process. Like, I receive a lot of questions to one of my videos on manifesting a text message from a specific person, and I received so many messages that it hasn't manifested. I tried it once, because I also have a guided meditation to that video, and they are saying that I did the meditation twice and he didn't text me. And that's really funny, because it's not gonna happen because you meditate twice and then you continue the rest of your day the way you used to, reacting to everything that is going on around you. You have to do it as long as it takes, because it all depends on your vibration and how fast are you allowing. For instance, a lot of people wrote me back that they manifested while meditating, or they manifested a text message right 2 minutes after the meditation. Some people received a text message after one meditation, other people after 2 meditation, other people after a week, other people after 2 weeks. It all depends on the level of your resistance. If your resistance is big, you have a lot of negative emotions around the subject, then obviously you will need to release that resistance, and that's not going to happen in 1 hour or 2 hours. You have to do it consistently. So it only depends on you. Actually, that is a really brilliant video. I'm so amazed that so many people manifested a text message. Actually, people who have no idea about the law of attraction, which I think it's amazing. Let's not forget that meditation is step 3 which is receiving the impulse, receiving the ideas of your own inner being to your own problems. That is why I don't like to listen to meditations on YouTube, because it feels like they are not made for me, really. It's not my particular thing that I want. It's not, I want to listen to my own inner being, who knows my desires, who knows what I want, who knows what ideas to send me. Nobody else knows that. That is so good to know. So I hope this answered your questions about manifestation. It was a really good question, and that's why I decided to make this video. If you have some interesting questions that you would like me to answer, you can add them in the comments, and I will make a video about it. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure as always. Have a nice day. Bye.